Kelly Barlow Creations. Today I am bringing to you a DIY bug bite relief lotion stick. It is summertime. It is that time when we go on vacation or we go camping, or it may just be where you live and the mosquitoes are out at night ready to bite you. You may get one of those mosquito bites that just itches and itches and itches, and instead of using an over-the-counter relief, you can use an all-natural DIY bug bite relief lotion stick that I'm going to show you today. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Now let's get to it and let me show you just how easy it is to make these bug bite relief bars. For the all-natural bug bite relief lotion sticks, I'll be using a tablespoon of beeswax pellets. These were provided in my bonus box that Simply Earth sends to me every 6 months. A tablespoon of almond oil, a tablespoon of coconut oil. I'll also be using a tablespoon of raw honey. This is a raw honey that I picked up when we went cherry picking at the cherry orchard. 5 empty chapstick containers. These were also provided in my bonus box. And lastly, Simply Earth's Bug Fighter Essential Oil. To melt down my beeswax, I will be using the double broiler method. I've put some water in my pot and I've put a heat-safe glass over the top of the water. I'm gonna add my 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, and 1 tablespoon of my raw honey. I'm gonna let this all melt down, and using a popsicle stick, I'm gonna stir it up. I'm not gonna add my essential oils yet until I remove this from the heat. Because I have learned over the last couple months that if you add the essential oil to your mixture while it's over the heat, it kind of dilutes your oil. And so you wanna add your oil last after you've removed it from the heat. It looks like it is all melted and mixed together well, so I'm gonna remove this from the heat and let it cool down just a bit. I've let this set for a minute. Now it's time to add my Bug Fighter Essential Oil. I'm gonna add about 40 drops to this mixture. I'm gonna stir. I'll be using this clear plastic transfer to transfer the liquid into the containers. You can use a medicine dropper if that's what you have on hand. I keep these in stock because I do make my own chapstick quite often. A great alternative to the chapstick tubes are these containers that you can get from the Dollar Tree. You can get 8 of them for $1. And so because I have some extra after filling up my 5 containers, I'm gonna place the extra in this Dollar Tree container. So with this recipe, I was able to get 6 chapstick containers full and 2 of the Dollar Tree containers. That is quite a bit of bug bite relief for that recipe. I am so happy with how much this makes. I'm gonna set this aside for about a half an hour to let this harden and solidify. You can always stick it in the refrigerator if you want it to go a bit faster. My bug relief sticks are completely solidified. I put them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes and they are perfect. They smell amazing. These don't smell like Bug Be Gone. They don't have that buggy, fragrant smell that most repellents and relief bars have. And that's because we are using Simply Earth's amazing essential oils. I was a bit worried because I wasn't sure if adding the honey to this was going to make my skin sticky. And so I wanted to try this out. and see how this works. I don't have a bug bite right now, so I can't tell you if it relieves the bug bite, but I will tell you that I will be taking it to Mammoth with me because I will surely end up with bug bites in Mammoth, and I cannot wait to try this. This feels really nice. It doesn't feel too oily. It's not sticky at all because of the honey, and it smells amazing. I have a feeling that this recipe is going to work, and I cannot wait to try it. I will be labeling it with the labels that Simply Earth provided in June's recipe box. And would you look at how stinking cute this is? What I love about this is when you're camping, this is so compact that this can fit in your pocket. You can put it in your backpack, and it's not gonna take up a lot of room. You get bit, you have an itch, you can pull this out and use it. This is perfect. And there you have it. You are all set for summer. You're gonna keep those bugs away, and if you happen to get a bug bite, you've got a lotion to help with that itching. If you're interested in receiving one of Simply Earth's recipe subscription boxes, you can find the link to my coupon code in the description box below, where you will receive a $20 gift card via email after you've ordered your first subscription box, and you'll also receive a bonus box that is valued at $50, which is designed to give you some of the essentials and necessities that you need to make some of the recipes that Simply Earth sends to you in your monthly recipe boxes. Simply Earth is an amazing essential oils company. They have taught me how to incorporate essential oils into my everyday life, which I absolutely love, and it has really honestly changed my life in so many ways. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.